In May 1775, the foundation stone was laid for the St. James Parish Church. With Montego Bay's steady financial growth and shipping importance, the time was right to build a parish church. The exterior of the St. James Parish Church is constructed of ashlar, which is a type of limestone that was used instead of the typical red brick. The possible explanation for using ashlar is that architects were aware that with less mortar, they would have a structure that would be better built and safer than a brick building. The architects could have also considered that they needed a building that would withstand the ravages of the frequent hurricanes that had previously hit the island. The back-breaking, dangerous work of building the church took many years to complete during the slavery era. The stately building was eventually opened for public worship in 1782, a time when slaves were not inclined to be welcome in such a beautiful structure with its round-headed sash windows. The building depicts not only the typical Georgian features seen at most West Indian churches at that time, but its eclectic image includes aspects of classic and Gothic details. In front of this Greek cross-shaped church structure is the graveyard with tombstones dating as far back as over 200 years ago. The St. James Parish Church suffered heavy damages during the 1957 earthquake. The clock tower fell off, causing severe destruction to the roof. The building's restoration resulted, however, in only minor changes from the original design. Today, this historical structure is a must-see for many visiting Montego Bay. The exterior and interior take visitors back in time as they view stained glass windows, plaques, memorials, and monuments to important figures such as Rosa Palmer, the former owner of Rose Hall Great House. The church continues to be regarded as one of the finest churches in Montego Bay.